This is the CoolPac45 summer pack out for 2 to 8 degree shipping. Place 1 Cool Gel 102 frozen on the bottom of the container. Place 1 CoolPac45 PE sheet on top of the gel. Place 1 Cool Gel 102 chilled on top of the PE sheet. Place 1 CoolPac45 product carton on top of the gel. Place 6 Cool Gel 105s chilled around the product carton. Place 1 Cool Gel 102 chilled on top of the product carton. Place 1 CoolPac45 PE sheet on top of the chilled. Place 1 Cool Gel 102 frozen on top of the PE sheet. Place the product lid on and take the cardboard up firmly.